The little macaws in the house are still unable to leave the nest because of the heavy rain and strong winds that delayed their first trip. This is one of the last digested meals of the almond tree, which the young will receive in the evening. It will take at least 2 years of parental training before they become completely independent. But soon they will start looking for food for themselves. When the rain finally stops, as soon as the rain stops, the macaw comes out to drink from the newly filled pomegranate tree. But this is one of the last times that the family will be together at the almond tree this year. The green macaws are ready to fly, although some may need more encouragement. The parents put their children in the air and show them how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates. But in the end, the bird must fly.